Hey, Tube, welcome back. Today we continue our series in the system design of WhatsApp, and today we will talk specifically about the group messages, how the group messages is actually working. In our high level design, we did just talk about group service and group messaging like on a high level, and I guess today we need to just take a deep dive on how actually group messages works. It will be a quick video. To be honest, I will not make it a long video. So let's say that we have user A, and user A sends a message, and user A is in a group with user B, C, and D. So how the message will arrive or be delivered to B and C and D. So, okay, when a user A sends a message in the group chat, the message travels through user A's WebSocket connection to the server managing that connection, which is server A in this example. Server A will queries the group service to retrieve a list of all active members in the group. Okay. After that, server A checks the user connection cache to determine which group members are currently online and the specific servers they are connected to. Okay. After that, for each online user, if a member is connected to server A, it will deliver the message directly over the existing WebSocket connection. If a member is connecting to a different service, like here we have server B, C, and D, okay, which then delivers the message to the user over their WebSocket connection. So if the member is connected to a different server like B or C, the message will be forward to server B and C and D, which will then deliver the message to user over their WebSocket connection. For offline group members, server A will send the message to notification service. The notification service will trigger push notification for each offline group member, alerting them of new message. Okay. I would say that as the group size increases, so does the fan out workloads will increases. For instance, if we have like a 500 members of group, each message require about 500 individual message delivery, which can quickly overwhelm the server. So how we solve that? Because I am sure that your interviewer will ask you about, yeah, this might work, but if we have a lot of different users, we have a lot of different messages. Does it make sense whenever user A sends a message, server A to server A, server A have to forward the message to server A, B, and C and D all the time and duplicate this with all of the users? And when we have 5 6 users in the same time trying to send messages, and we have a group of 500 users, we will have about like 2 or 3 thousand requests. That doesn't make sense. How to solve that? You can solve that with a brilliant idea. It's easy also. Yeah. Okay. You can solve this problem with using a pub subsystem. Basically, when server A sends a message, basically it will server A will direct the message to the pub subsystem, and all the servers that are interested in the topic or like the group service topic will pull the message from the pub subsystem directly. So server A doesn't have to send or distribute all the messages to all the other individual services. So it will be way more easier for you to scale or for the system to scale and distribute the messages. And also it will provide low latency. It have less overhead. To be honest, it's overall better. So yeah, that's it, and this is how the group message actually works. And yeah, that's it for this video, and see you in the future.